You guys know what time it is. It had to be done. So we're just gonna do it. Today, we're gonna be auditing Ruan Marinhos site. I don't know if you guys are ready for this, but I definitely am. Oh man, I'm dropping some frames right now. Hold on. Gotta fix my connection here. I think that might be a little bit better. Oh yeah, get the blue blocking lenses 100%, dude. They're so worth it, dude. Just getting all this stuff set up really quick. All right, let's get into it. Need a little water first. I mean, I didn't want to have to do this, but if Ruan's gonna build a bunch of links, then he's obviously neglecting some on-page stuff. I'm about to figure out what all of that is. Here we go. I don't know if you guys are ready for this.
Group therapy with above and beyond.
Alright, now we gotta set up the audit template. I already know this is about to be a lot of stuff just from looking at the Screaming Frog crawl without even exporting it. What's up, online visually? What's up, lol dude? Welcome everybody. I hope you guys are ready for this audit. I'm literally bringing out my new audit that I haven't even templatized yet. This is all the new stuff that I just added to my existing audit, so I've never even used this audit on somebody else's site besides mine yet. No, it's late for Ruan. He's probably asleep right now. Oh, thanks, dude. You should take the national SEO course next. Alright, here it goes. I want to export the HTML, press save. Find the export. Thanks, Alex. I'm going to copy all this. Oh man, this already isn't looking good for Ruan. Woo! Ho! Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my gosh. No way. Is this stuff actually being indexed? Okay, just started 404ing those. Somehow they're crawlable. Okay. So we're gonna start out with the basics. Let me just scroll over here really quick. Okay, yeah, this is... Alright. Let's do this. Site redirects a preferred version. Alright. On page test 1 passed. Robust.txt. It's got a sitemap in there. This is what's crawlable. Okay. Looks decent. Oh, actually, sitemap's the wrong version. It's supposed to be SSL. And that's not correcting the correct sitemap. Oh my god, he doesn't have a sitemap, guys. He doesn't have a sitemap, bro. Alright. So no sitemap, he's got a fave icon, I believe. What is this? What the heck? Oh, okay, what the heck? This just pointed to a different, completely different site. So his robust.txt sitemap points to his other website. That's even worse. Okay, so he does have a sitemap then. Okay, good. But he doesn't have a sitemap on the other site. Fave icon. Good. Amp, I don't care. I don't think he's using it. Mobile friendly, I'm sure. Yeah. These are the easy tests though. About page, contact page. Boom. About goes to team. It's not really an about page, but whatever. It says about us. See if it's got schema on it. Guarantee it doesn't have schema. And it does not have schema. For at least about us. And he has organization, local business on that page as well, which is not supposed to be happening. I guarantee he doesn't have contact either. So I'm just going to put a check mark there. The checklist, yeah, it comes with the courses. You should already have it, Evo. TOS and privacy policy pages. Again, these are all the easy things, right, guys? It's not like freaking super complicated here. Where did my music go? All right, HTML sitemap and footer and TOS privacy policy. Boom, boom, good, good. Are they no follows? Because they really shouldn't be. Are they no indexed? Because they shouldn't be. Okay, not bad, not bad. But no HTML sitemap in the footer. Paginated pages. I want to run Sitebulb to get this kind of stuff because it makes it faster. Alright, while that runs, let's just go through the other stuff. Social media. We know he's got YouTube. He doesn't have his YouTube on here. How can he not have his YouTube? Facebook page doesn't even work. Google Plus goes to privacy policy? The heck is that, dude? I mean, we're not even past the basics yet. You want to know the best part, guys? When he could be doing all this on page, he's trying to do silly contests to rank for SEO Santa Barbara. When you can't even get traffic for that. Even ranking #1, I don't get clients from that. It's just a vanity keyword. Look at this. It's not going to happen, Ruan. Look at all that authority he's got. Look at that. Look at 29 UR, 38 DR. He's got almost double the DR that I have. And I've got almost double the organic traffic. I think almost triple the organic traffic that he has. But not even close to the same DR he has. And again, I don't build links, dude. That's just what it is. Alright, let's see what he's ranking for. New York SEO. That is good, though. I mean, that's impressive, right? YouTube sponsor button. Bunch of local-based keywords, right? Not bad, not bad. I'll give him that. Alright. So let's go into Sitebulb. And actually, I want to see if there's any broken links really quick, because that is a common thing that you'll see with websites. Holy cow, dude. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing right here? Oh my god, dude. No, that's just not right, bro. Okay. Alright, we gotta let him know about this, because, dude, there is so many 300 404s, dude. Look at all these 301s. Holy cow, dude. Hundred and 94 301s. All right. I'm assuming he doesn't have keyword mapping done, but we'll just do a little bit for him. So really where he's getting most of his traffic is from this one keyword, New York SEO. But the problem is if we look at this analytics data, I'm pretty sure he doesn't even have conversion tracking. He doesn't even have Search Console data sharing set up, so I can't even tell if the keyword's bringing in traffic with any sort of bounce rate or anything tied to it. That's why you have Search Console enabled with Google Analytics. Okay, so all I can do now, I guess, is go to behavior. And there's no conversion tracking enabled, so we can't even tell if these pages that he's ranking are even bringing in leads in the first place. So what's the point in even ranking? No thank you pages redirects, no conversion rate optimization. CTA above the fold is good. Let's make sure it's on there for that page we're just looking at. Alright. No CTA above the fold on one of the most valuable pages on the site. Content upgrades, I believe, are not being utilized. Let's check the blog. We'll check the most important blog pages. No content upgrades. So everybody who hits this blog post is literally just bouncing off and never coming back. He needs to capture the traffic somehow. I mean, even just creating a Facebook group would be a good start to funnel people into. No fave icons on the blog. Is this blog a subdomain? So using a subdomain as a blog? What did I even just look at? This other page is like on a different... There's a subdomain version of the site, or oh no, this is the AMP. Is this even an AMP page? I guess it is. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Alright, let's look at the incorrect usage 301s, canonicals, no index, or 404s. And the way we're going to do that is by looking up the duplicate content with Siteliner. It's already done. What the heck? Look at this duplicate content. Oh my god! What is going on? 95%, 84%, 89%. What am I looking at right now? Look at all these uncategorized pages, dude. How many uncategorized pages does he have? "99 uncategorized pages being indexed." 99. Oh my god, dude. What is going on? How is that even possible? "600 pages being indexed." These all just location pages? There's no way these are ranking. Oh my god. What? And then Mars says, if anything, Chase, this just proves that all the technical SEO magic is not a requirement to rank. Okay, but it also proves that regardless of whether or not you're ranking, if you're not doing conversion tracking, and if you have a bunch of low-quality content on your website that's not really doing anything for you, and you're trying to bring people in, you know, it's going to be a lot harder than if you were to have all this stuff cleared. I mean, this is a lot of UX problems, right? Like a lot. And this is just the first part. We're not even into like most of the audit yet. I didn't even know he had this many pages on his site, dude. I mean, this is just crazy to me. I'm gonna have to filter by hierarchy at this point. Okay, let's see if these paginated pages are working correctly. He's not using rel next prev tags, so all of these pages are being indexed individually as well. What the hell am I listening to right now? You can't be doing that. You need rel next prev tags. I mean, even that's just going to affect the site value alone. $75 hints from Sightbulb. Yeah, so none of these are set up correctly. The services canonical, or the services page is set up without a backslash, I guess. For some reason, I don't know why. There might be another one. Oh, there's two service pages, look at that. One with a backslash, one without. And here's the other thing, guys, like, yeah, maybe you can rank even with all these technical things going on, but once you start getting into like a huge website with tons of errors going on, I mean, that's really going to hold your site back. Like, you can get insane penalties because of this stuff. Panda is a real algorithm and it deals with site-wide content like this. Alright, we already know about all the broken URLs, URLs with duplicate meta descriptions, whatever. Head contains no script tags, fine. Valid HTML elements, let's see what they are. Image. Whatever, it's minor, I guess. 128 URLs don't contain Google Analytics codes. All of these don't contain analytics for some reason. Google Analytics? Oh, because it's Tag Manager instead. Okay, that's fine. 2 URLs resolving under HTTP and HTTPS. I don't know why these things are being indexed. Like, what is all this? Why is this being crawled? WP content's being crawled, I think. I don't think it's being set up correctly in robots.txt. Yeah, he is indexing a bunch of stuff from robots.txt. He's indexing his plugins. What am I listening to? Can I just get some normal freaking music, please? It's getting weird, dude. This music's just getting odd. Okay, that's it. That's it. Hold on. I just have to do something really quick, guys. Just give me 1 second. To switch the vibes here. Okay, we're good. I agree with you on that, but a lot of technical SEO makes people feel good that they can show people that they know how to do it and confuse clients, but it's just simply not a requirement to rank. Bro, come on. If you have all this stuff on your website, I have case studies of me going into people's websites. Let me see if I can find the image. Where I've literally just de-indexed all this BS and their rankings literally went like from this to just straight up. Hold on. I'd have to find it. It's on my channel somewhere, but I have a video of me literally showing what I did, and it's literally just goes straight up. You can't have this stuff on your freaking website. I'm sorry. You can rank without this stuff, but it's going to hold you back. Technical SEO, regardless of how you feel about it, which really is not technical, it's just SEO in general. That's what SEO is. It's optimizing a website. SEO, search engine optimization. Link building is not SEO, it's link building. Keyword mapping is not really SEO, it's just keyword research and then mapping it to your website. All this stuff that doesn't have to do with optimizing your website isn't SEO. So I don't know what you want to call whatever else you're doing, but you're not doing SEO. If you're doing content, I don't care. Do whatever the hell you want, but it's not SEO. All right, let's get back to it. So we got a bunch of plugins being indexed. Canonical points to different internal URL. There was a few, but wasn't that bad. Tons of broken 404 internal URLs. We already saw those. Some URLs contain uppercase letters. It's probably just all this BS other stuff that's getting indexed. I don't know why images are being crawled like this as well. Oh, because it's under WP content. It looks like all of it's 404ing now, so I guess it's fine. How much money do I make? In this last year, I've grossed 250K, but most of it I reinvest into workers, into content, into whatever else, ads. So I don't really know what I netted, but I grossed 250K. I'm hopefully gonna be making more next year. I know I'm gonna be making more, but I don't know how much more. All right. It's got 12 URLs with only one followed internal linking URL. So all of these only have one link going to them, that's a problem right there because one of those is one of his valuable blog pages. No organic traffic on 41 pages. That's a problem. Page speed on a lot of pages is pretty bad. Let's just check that out on the home page. His site's ranking for a keyword. It's not his site that's ranking, it's a page. You can rank pages. But, again, once you start getting into huge architectures, your whole I need a link to a page doesn't gonna mean shit. Maybe it works for little websites. And maybe you can rank a few pages and have, you know, some pages like this going on. But once you start getting into big scale stuff, this is not going to work well for you. It's just not. You're going to have, like, you could potentially have hundreds of thousands of pages, tens of thousands of pages indexed that are just bogging your site down. Your crawl budget, your internal link structure, the way you're, you know, putting new content on your website. I mean, tons of stuff. I mean, I don't really want to debate this because it's just, it doesn't, it's not, this is, what I'm doing right here is SEO. So, like, I don't know why you're trying to say that this doesn't matter. It's just, it's ridiculous to me. All right. So GT metrics go into here, 3.1. So that's not bad. I'm guessing it's some of the other pages on his site that are probably a little bit slower. But it doesn't seem like he has bad web design, which is good. Let's do one other page. So without really looking at his content a lot, I can't really tell you whether or not he's doing correct 301s or 404s, but he doesn't have a lot of pages on the site, so I'm just going to say no. Or, yeah, he's fine. Indexation count's way too high. Needs to no index a bunch of stuff. Thin content or no value pages. Let's just check out what he's got based on word counts. Let me freeze this row. Sorry, I'm trying to put this word count in here. It doesn't want to go. I'll just delete the column, move it up. There we go. Okay. So all of these are pages with 0 content on them that are being indexed, I believe. So that's a problem as well. That is 117 to 258. It's almost 130 pages that are being indexed without content. And then if we look and see what actual pages have less than 300 words, it's not too many, so that's not bad. But he's got like 4 contact us pages. Actually, no. Those are just HTTP versions. But I think they might be on there without redirects. Let me see. Yeah, you see these other pages? 8.3 seconds, so it's just like his home page. So that's... Yeah, he's got no redirects going in here. Oops. Okay, let's check out the schema. Check out the blog. No blog markup. See if he's using aggregate review. I already know he's not. Let's just check. The only place he'd be using it is on like a service page. Which he really should be. If he has reviews, he can put them into the pages. Nope. He's got the same markup on every page, so. He's got breadcrumb though, which is good. Let's see what his OG data looks like. What happens if the website has shitty content? Can you rank that to the top? I mean, theoretically, you can rank anything that ends up working based off Google's algorithm, but the question is, if you don't have a sustainable marketing strategy that works long term, then why are you doing it? Like, why do you even care? Okay, the OG data is really bad. He needs a plugin like WPSSO. He has Yoast, Smusher. Yoast needs to be re-optimized. Smusher, I don't really know, but I'm just going to assume he is. Broken link checker he definitely needs to get, and then OH scripts he needs to get for his schema. Alright, let's check out his Google My Business. All of the rank and rent websites that I had, I sold. Actually, I still have one more. I have a computer repair one, but actually, I still have two because of the course. So I have two right now, I guess. So I'm not seeing the Google My Business here. So does he not have a Google My Business? Okay, I guess not. So we can't do Google My Business optimization. He should really get a Google My Business. I don't believe he's indexing PDFs. Oh, he is. Oh wait, no, it's just that WP content. I would just get rid of him. See if he's using authors. I don't really know what this is. It's some weird blog post about him. Should be an about page, I believe. I don't really know what that is. I'm just going to skip it. See if they're indexing tags. Doesn't look like it. I believe his business name is being included in all of his titles too. It's kind of weird because it is, but it also isn't in a way. I think it is. He should turn that off. Let's see his categories. Dude, the new WordPress Gutenberg is awful, bro. Also, sorry guys if I'm not talking to you as much. I'm just really focused on getting this just done. Usually these take a while to do, so I'm just trying to get as much done as I can. Good night, LOL dude, or Evo. If you guys are enjoying this audit so far, let me hear a 1 in the chat. And if you want to see more stuff like this, content that I've been putting out, let me know. Okay, so he's not using categories. That's why there's so many uncategorized URLs. That's a lot of 1s. You guys are awesome. So I don't really know if he's using click-through optimization because he didn't have Search Console set up until recently. But if I look at the current click-through rates on some of the keywords, it looks like they're decent. But it really does need to be done on a page-by-page basis, unfortunately. And it has to be done after the keywords are mapped. But based on his top keywords that I can already see, some of them look like they might need some work. Whoops. He definitely needs schema video markup, schema aggregate rating. That'll improve the click-through rates as well. And by the way, on-page tip for whoever was saying that you don't need on-page SEO because he's already ranking, I guarantee you if you put schema markup on that page and got review markup on there, he'd get a way higher click-through rate and more conversions. That's just how it works. I don't believe he's using site search. "19 internal links with no anchor text." "71 broken internal URLs." All right, let's check out the site-wide on-page issues. "88 images missing alt text." So a lot of these actually aren't too bad. "22 missing meta descriptions." "25 missing H1s." Do I consider myself good at copywriting? No, not at all. I consider myself good at one thing, and that's SEO. On-page SEO, that's it. Doesn't have citations. Doesn't have a Google My Business. It's probably using PBNs. Or optimization of content. I'd have to scan it. Fake reviews. I don't think so. You should start doing giveaways with Gleam. No penalties. See if the sitemap's submitted. No sitemap. So that's all that. Now if we get into his keyword mapping, we're going to get into a whole nother thing of problems. The way we do that is we have to filter by clicks. But unfortunately, we don't have the clicks, so we're going to have to do it this way. Why can I not put this in here? Is there a reason why I can't put this in here? Okay, so for everybody who's saying the New York SEO, this is how much he got, how many clicks he got in the position 2 in the last 90 days. But again, we don't have conversions. All we have is the URL, which is right here. Now if we take that URL, put it right there. Look at this. So for this URL alone, 400 word count, title tag only 30 characters, meta description 138, so that's below on both. H1 is some weird name. There's only 5 inlinks. The bounce rate's 89%. 89% on that page. So again, You guys are so concerned about rankings, right? Rankings don't mean anything if you can't do anything with them. Who cares? All these people say that they're ranking for stuff and that they have tons of traffic, but at the end of the day, traffic doesn't mean anything if the UX sucks, if the user intent's off, the bounce rate's too high, if there's no conversions, so you're not doing conversion tracking. Let's check out the... Let's check out the intent. I just crashed my screen 1 second. I have to... So somebody just said, Justin just said, if he focused to make it better, just about proving it from there. But that's the problem. That's the problem with people who do link building, is they're so focused on ranking with links that they don't know any of this stuff. They don't end up doing this stuff. I can take so many people's websites, for example. I could literally, I've audited Neil Patel's website before, and there's tons of things just terrible with his website. But what ends up happening is people make money, they don't care. They don't actually care about what the end goal is, right? To actually help people. So you can tell me, you know, links are a ranking factor and all this stuff, but at the end of the day, when Google freaking is able to understand what people actually want and give them what they want, all this stuff that I'm actually doing to provide value to people and to provide, and what you're going to be doing following this stuff to provide value to people is going to put you on a whole nother level, dude. Not even, it's not even going to be a competition at that point, dude. Boom. Look at all this stuff that we need to put more into this just to match whatever is already ranking on Google to match the intent. That's all you need, bro. At least content-wise. And then you got to go fix those analytics-based signals. And then you got to fix the user-based signals like Search Console data. But again, that's why it's so important to do conversion tracking, all this other stuff, so you know. He's got 2 H1s on that page too. So again, that's just the one keyword that we're looking at. If we look at some of his other keywords, like the ones that are receiving 12 clicks, 10 clicks, that kind of thing, I'm sure we're going to see a similar theme. Let's just look at Connecticut SEO. This is the home page. 51% bounce rate, 3-minute average session duration. And again, this is probably for the brand name itself. But again, we don't know how many conversions, so Just with the couple pages that we saw, like the two most valuable pages, one has an 80% bounce rate. One's probably a lot of brand type query, or actually no, that's local based queries, but still, we don't know how many conversions. So I'm assuming that no real leads have came in through this. Maybe one if he's lucky, and then for Connecticut SEO and maybe a couple of these others, based on the bounce rate being lower and we're not having any conversion tracking data, maybe he's got one or two there. But again, off of 3 months of organic traffic, that's only like probably a couple leads organically, right? If we compare that to what I'm doing with my website right now, I mean, I'm crushing that. So call it what you guys want, but I guess links don't work. So there's the audit for Ruan Marino. If he wants to keep going for the SEO Santa Barbara, I suggest he fixes this stuff first, because if he wants to get some organic traffic, he's going to need to start looking at this stuff. So whether or not you want to believe in links, whether you don't want to believe in links, I don't really care. I'm going to keep doing on-page SEO because I know that's what people end up going to a website for, to find a good landing page experience, a good website. And they're not just going to a website because they think, oh, I wonder if there's 50 links going to this website. That must mean it's a good thing. Nobody thinks that. Nobody cares. The only thing that it's helping is SEOs and people who are trying to rank their websites. Links are going to die eventually. I'll be here doing these tutorials for you guys, the SEO pros, the true White Hat SEO pros. We're going to create a sustainable strategy together. Let's do it. And until I see y'all next time, happy SEOing.